And a happy Tuesday, everybody. Thanks so much for clicking play and checking out the weather with me today. My name is Jewel, and this is J7409 Weather. What we're looking at now is the European model, and what a mess we have. What's going to be happening today as we turn this on and let it run through some? You can see all of the nasty, nasty weather going on. We got heavy snow for Iowa, southern Wisconsin, and the west central Michigan areas. Rain and freezing rain for the Central Plains into the Midwest, and heavy snow for the Cascades and northern Intermountain region. That's all going to be going on. You can see the purple, that's ice. I'm going to have more on this. Stick around. It's all coming up right here. Here we go with the watches and warnings now. I've got most of the most important ones listed, and it is in the community post. Click show more, scroll down, you'll find a link to go, and you can check out and see if your areas are in it. Everything in this pink over here, as you can see, right in this area of Nebraska, Iowa, just about the whole state, portions of southern Wisconsin, and also down here in northeastern Illinois, everything in the pink, and a little bit of southeastern South Dakota. This is all winter storm warnings. Also, we have some up in northern Idaho, also in eastern Washington, and down in western Colorado, right in this area. Everything in the pink, winter storm warnings. Beware. This storm system, along with another one coming through, is going to bring an awful lot of snow to places, an awful lot of freezing rain to places, and an awful lot of rain as it moves on across and gets over later in the week to the eastern seaboard. Possibly, as it moves up in the higher elevations from Connecticut up to Maine, you could see some snow, you could see some ice before it changes to rain later this weekend. Now, everyone in the blue, as you can see, they're everywhere. You're under a winter weather advisory. You have a chance of winter weather also. So please don't forget, click show more, scroll down, check out and see if your areas are listed. Before I get on with the weather, I found an earthquake today that happened in the U.S. I want to show everyone. So far, this will change. Of course, we will have more, but we have, as of now, 212. The strongest was a 6.4. Now, that was in Croatia, but we had a 5.7 west of Bandon, Oregon. I wanted to point that out, a 5.7 west of Bandon, Oregon this morning. So I wanted to make sure everyone was aware of this, and I hope everyone in those areas had no damage and are safe. If you're into the weather and you haven't subscribed, I would like to ask you to do so. Please click subscribe, click that bell, and check off all to ensure you get all the latest weather videos I put up to help keep people informed of what they may be running into or what may be headed their way. Usually on the future radar it shows 3 days. Well, today it's going to show 2 days, because after that we're going to start to get closer to the new year, and the NAM's running on too. Red is ice. Ice, ice, ice. Green, of course, is rain. The blue is snow. Where it's darker, it's heavier, it's lighter. Snowfall, where it's the lighter blue, of course. So let's just turn it on and let me tell you what's happening. This is a strong storm, and it's over the central Rockies, folks. It's going to move northeastern to eastern Canada by Thursday morning. Now, the system will produce snow over parts of the Great Basin, southwest, central, southern Rockies, and the central northern plains today. Now, that's going to move into the upper Mississippi Valley, upper Great Lakes, and western Ohio Valley by tonight. Now, rain will develop over parts of central, southern plains that will move into parts of the middle Mississippi Valley by this evening. Isolated thunderstorms may develop across the southern plains for the lower Mississippi Valley tonight into tomorrow. And an area of this very dangerous rain and freezing rain and sleet, it's going to develop over parts of the Central Plains, moving into parts of the middle Mississippi Valley, likewise by tonight. Now, the snow and rain in early for the evening over the southwest, as will the snow over the central southern Rockies. The rain will change over to snow over parts of western Texas late tomorrow afternoon, continuing into Thursday morning. Now, Wednesday morning, the rain will move into parts of the lower Mississippi Valley. Also on Wednesday, tomorrow, the rain and snow will move into parts of the Northeast. So everyone in the Northeast, please pay attention, keep up with me, check in with me tomorrow, see what's going on. You could have more snow than rain, or it may be more rain and snow. We just got to wait and see where that line starts. Now, there's a large area of winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings up over the plains, as I've showed you, in the Midwest today into tomorrow. And the snow and rain, freezing rain, is going to produce very hazardous driving conditions. Snowfall amounts of 6 to 8 inches will develop over parts of Iowa into southern Wisconsin and parts of west central Michigan. Meanwhile, we got a front. It's going to move on shore over the Pacific Northwest tomorrow into Thursday. Now, onshore flow associated with this boundary will stream moisture into the northwest from the Pacific. Now, late today, rain will start to develop over parts of the Pacific Northwest, and snow, of course, is going to be happening at the higher elevations. By tomorrow, snow will move into parts of the northern Intermountain region. Later tomorrow, coastal rain and higher elevation snow will move into parts of northern California. By Thursday, the snow moves. It moves into parts of the Great Basin. Now get this, snowfall amounts will be 12 to 18 inches over the Cascades and about 12 inches over parts of the northern Intermountain region. The snow is going to produce very, very hazardous driving conditions, so everyone stay safe. Now, so far as everyone in the mid-Atlantic and the eastern seaboard here, say from New Jersey south, we should just be getting rain out of this storm towards the end of the week. But you guys up here, once again, say from Maine down all the way through Massachusetts, Rhode Island, Connecticut, maybe Long Island and parts of eastern New York, you could get rain also. We're just going to have to wait and see where that dividing freeze line happens. But when you come a little south from New Jersey all the way down to Florida, it's going to be rain. The temperature should keep warming up just a little, slowly but surely. I wouldn't put away the sweaters if I was in Florida, or the coats. I wouldn't put up the sweaters down in Georgia or South Carolina, and for sure in North Carolina. Because today in North Carolina on the East Coast, I probably won't get to 50, but then it'll warm up to around 70. So that's what it's looking like right now. Everyone, please stay safe in the snow areas, and especially where you see this red going through. That is nothing but ice falling down. Could cause a lot of power outages. Have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day, my friends. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I would appreciate it a lot. And may each of you have a wonderful, blessed new year, and much peace, love, and kindness to each and every one of you. Thank you for watching.